Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Hi guys, I'm now in the room. So on this level we got 16 rooms here. This is locker, so we can just lock our dog here and to be safe, and this one as well. So come inside. The first thing we got a walk-in desk right here, and two USB outlets, and this is the power outlet. Here we got a wardrobe. We do provide sleepers, no bathrobes. The bed is quite big, looks like a king size bed, and it's pretty simple. The bedside table, no charging outlets on this side, but we've got one of there. Two complimentary waters, the minibar session, and some tea bags and coffee mix and cups here. Down the bottom we've got this fridge, and they are all complimentary as well. And we've also got a TV right here. To this side we've got this bathroom, and the bathroom is pretty big, to be honest. And this is the separate shower room. And we've got body soap and shampoo, no hair conditioner, and this is the Taipei's total toilet, which is good. And the washing basin here, and hair dryer, and a bathtub right here. I think it's pretty good. I mean, with the money I paid, I think it's pretty decent, like a pretty decent hotel. Good morning guys. I've just found something very interesting. These 2 bottles of water are provided by the hotel. As you can see, I already finished them, and I am very thirsty, so I wanted to find something to drink in the fridge, because the receptionist told me like everything in the fridge is also complimentary. So I opened the fridge. What I found, there is a bottle of water, which is only half bottle. Like, apparently this has been drunk by someone else, but they forgot to, just to check it. I don't want it to be very mean, but this is something I've spotted. I just want to present this to you guys. Maybe next time check the fridge first, just see if there's anything left from the previous guest. If yes, maybe give them a call and ask them what has happened, or maybe just let them know, just inform them. I just want to quickly wrap up before I check out. I think the this room itself is very spacious. The front desk is quite friendly. It has a lot of like good restaurants and cafes around this hotel. It's good to have a nice city walk. Some disadvantages: first of all, I think it is not very close to the train station, so you will need to walk about 15 to 20 minutes to the nearest train station, and if it's raining it can be inconvenient, but if you love city walking, I don't think it's gonna be a problem for you. The second thing is, I think the bed is not very comfortable, to be honest. It is very hard, and The mattress is very hard. I woke up several times last night. It is really not very comfortable. Third thing, I think is my own problem because I booked this room without a window. I think it's a little bit stuffy here. I would avoid booking room without window because I don't know, I just don't like it because the last one I stayed at the Grand Hotel, it doesn't have a window as well, and it was super stuffy. And also, as I said, I found one left bottle of water in the fridge from the previous guest. I think maybe when you check in, please make sure you check everything in the room, check the fridge, just to make there's nothing left from the previous guest. There is, make sure you inform the hotel staff as early as possible. Yeah, I think everything else is okay. Just from 1st of January 2025, all hotels in Taiwan are not providing disposable amenities such as dental kits, so just make sure you bring your own. That's just a reminder. I'm not sure if this policy is going to change in the future. Alright, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.